Doug back at you, and you might have noticed that in the past week, YouTube have now rolled out dark mode for YouTube Studio, your studio dashboard on desktop. We've had it for a while on the phone, but thank goodness it has come to the desktop finally. So how do you activate it? Well, it might already be activated. You can see here on the computer that I'm already rocking dark mode just on general YouTube. So when you go to Studio, you might find that it automatically has reverted to dark mode because of your settings here, appearance dark. But let's have a look. I'll show you on Studio right now what it looks like. There it is, dark mode. It helps you read text a lot better, white on black as opposed to black on white. Well, at least for me anyway, for my eyes, it's a godsend going through comments and different things like that. I do enjoy the dark mode immensely. But how do you change it? Let's check it out right now. If you go up to your profile in the top right hand corner, you will see right in the bottom there, appearance dark. These are the options you'll get. You can use the device theme, so that's whatever your browser's defaulting to, or say the device like your Mac is in dark mode or light mode, or is one of those ones where you switch from light to dark depending on the time of day. You can use the device theme for that. Or you can permanently rock the dark theme or the light theme. There's the light theme, and that even said to me that seems brighter than usual. So have they changed the light theme or something? But regardless, this is dark mode, appearance, dark theme, boom. Simple as that. If you want dark mode, you haven't figured out how to change it, that's how you change it. Super quick video today. This is Doug, and I'll catch you later.
Subscribe to Doug Hewson YT for more tech or content creation.